Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 9 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's challenge. So guys, here I have the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, here you will get all the updates from day 1 to day 24. So guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends. And guys, subscribe to CyberCrush YouTube channel. So guys, now I am on my computer screen. So let's move to AOC. And guys, let's scroll down. And here we can give a continue learning. And from here you can see we have the password a cracking Christmas. So this room is unlocked. So tap on this room. So guys, now we are in the password a cracking Christmas room. So guys, here we have the video 1 and we have also the video 2. So these videos are from the industrial experts. And guys, from here the story begins. So guys, here basically the story is in between the preparation of Christmas, Sar Kerotbin, an TVFC member, so he found some files, that is the PDF and zip file in their old server, and he is in doubt that that file contains some important information about the Santa's gift for the Christmas. So we have the task to crack those passwords and find the flag. So in this room, we have the learning objectives like we will know how password based encryption protects the file, that is the PDF file and the zip file. We will know why weak password makes encrypted file vulnerable. So here we will learn about the brute force attack. So guys, now here we have also some important points. So you can go through these points. So here we have the information about the VMs. So now here we have the target machine. So we will start the target machine. So guys, here we have also the credentials. So if you are trying to connect using the TryHackMe VPN, so you can use these credentials. So now we are all done with this. So we will give a check. So guys, now we can move to task 2. So guys, here we have the how attackers recover weak password. So basically we have two types, that is the dictionary attack or we have the mask attack. So in this room we will basically use the dictionary attack to crack all those. So let's go deep into this. So guys, basically to crack any password we use two methods. First one is the direct dictionary method and second one is the mask method or brute force method. So guys, basically in the dictionary attack, we have a word list that contains some sample passwords. So using that sample passwords, we actually find the original one. So guys, the brute force attack has a potential to create or to make the possible combination of every characters in the word list. So it basically creates the password from all the characters in the word list and find the final one. So guys, here we have also some of the word list that we found basically in our Linux. And here we also have the steps how to create or how to make your own password using the brute force attack or the mask attack. So now here we have the exercise. So let's start this exercise and find the real flag. First of all, let's start the terminal and let's first move to the desktop. So guys, now we are in the desktop. So here as per the instruction, we will use the file command and we will try to see about these files. So I will simply copy out this and give a paste here. So guys, here you can see we got the details like this is a PDF document and the version we have seen. And here this contains only one page. So same we can see the details about the zip file. So we will give a paste and I will give enter. So here also you can see this the details about the zip file. So guys, here we will use the tool that is PDF crack to crack the password for the PDF file. So simply here we can copy out the commands and simply we can give a paste. and give enter. So guys, here you can see we got the password for the PDF file. So let's scroll down and we will look search for the zip file. So before getting the password for the zip file, we need to extract the things inside the zip file. So for that we will use the tool that is zip to John, and here we have the command, like I will copy this from here and we can give a paste and give enter. So guys, here you can see we changed the zip file into a txt file, like we extracted the item inside that and we stored that in a txt file, and you can see this file here in the desktop. So guys, here we have the command, so I will copy out this whole command from here and we can give a paste and enter. So guys, here you can see here we got the flag or the password for this zip file. So now we will do one thing. Let's try to open this PDF file. So here we need the password. So we have the password for the PDF file here. So I will simply copy the password and here I can give a paste and unlock document. So guys, here you can see we got the first flag. So we will copy out this and we will paste here and give enter. So guys, this is correct. So we got our first flag. So I will close this. So now let's open the zip file. So inside that we have a flag.txt. So I will drag this file to the desktop, and here you can see we need the password to open that. So here we have the password. So I will simply copy out from here and will paste the password and give a OK. So this file is extracted. So we'll click on show the file. So inside this we have the flag.txt and here we have the flag. So I'll copy this flag and give a paste here. So guys, this is correct. So here we have also the recommendation room, and here we have a side quest 2. So you can check out this. So we'll give a check. So here also we'll give a check. So guys, now you can see we completed the password at cracking Christmas. So we'll give a continue. So guys, from here also I got one Advent of Cyber ticket. So I'll give a continue. So now we can move to Wareville. And guys, you can see we have successfully completed this room. So guys, we have successfully completed the day 9 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, for more solutions, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. Thank you.